Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel, where we bring you some of the best home remedy-based tips and tricks to stay healthy, vital, and happy. In today's video, we're going to talk about the health benefits of kefir and some amazing kefir-based home remedies. There are so many wonderful things that kefir can do for the overall healthy functioning and maintenance of the human body. With this in mind, we're excited to share some of the amazing information we've gathered for you on kefir. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell button to keep the best home remedies and health tips coming to you every week. And make sure to watch to the end of the video to learn how you can make your own kefir at home. Before diving into the benefits of home remedies made with kefir, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Let's jump right in. What is kefir? Kefir appears to have originated in Southwest Asia and areas of Eastern Europe. Its name derives from the Turkish word keyif, which describes a satisfying meal. This fermented beverage is typically produced with goat or cow milk. Kefir grains are added to milk to create it. These aren't grains of cereal, but rather cauliflower-like colonies of yeast and lactic acid bacteria that resemble grains. The microbes in the kefir grains multiply over the course of around 24 hours, naturally fermenting the milk's carbohydrates to create kefir. The grains are then taken out of the liquid and put to use once more. In other words, while kefir grains are the starter culture required to create the beverage, kefir itself is the drink. Lactose from the milk is converted to lactic acid by the lactic acid bacteria in the kefir grains. This is what gives kefir its similarity to yogurt's sour flavor, while having a thinner consistency. Let's discuss the benefits of kefir and why it's great for your overall health and gut health. 1. Kefir is rich in nutrients. Depending on the type of milk used, kefir includes roughly 104 calories, 11.6 grams of carbohydrates, and only 2 to 3 grams of fat. Moreover, kefir contains a wide range of bioactive substances, such as organic acids and peptides, which add to its great health benefits. Kefir without dairy can be produced using coconut milk, coconut water, or other sweet liquids, but they won't have the same nutritional profile as kefir made from milk. 2. Kefir promotes bone health. In addition to being a fantastic source of calcium, full-fat kefir made from cow's milk also contains vitamin K2, which is essential for the metabolism of calcium. It has been demonstrated that taking K2 supplements can cut your risk of fractures by as much as 81%. Current research on animals link kefir to improved bone cell calcium uptake. As a result, bone density increases, which should lessen the risk of fractures. 3. Kefir may help with asthma and allergy symptoms. Inflammatory reactions to particular meals or substances, like pollen, are what trigger allergic reactions in the human body. Allergies are more common in those with oversensitive immune systems, and these problems can lead to asthma and allergies. Kefir has been proven to reduce allergic and asthmatic inflammatory reactions in animal experiments. More research is needed to determine if these benefits apply to humans as well. 4. Helps in digestion. Kefir has probiotics that improve your digestion and overall gut health, and it also helps to alleviate constipation, diarrhea, and other digestive problems. Kefir does this by helping to re-establish the balance of beneficial bacteria in your stomach. Furthermore, a wealth of research indicates that probiotics and probiotic foods like kefir can treat a variety of digestive problems. They include H. pylori-induced ulcers and IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, among many other conditions. Kefir may, therefore, be helpful if you have digestive issues and want to improve your gut health. 5. Kefir has anti-cancer properties. Some research has demonstrated the positive effects connected with using kefir to combat cancer. According to these studies, it helps the immune system work better, which is why cancer patients can benefit from drinking kefir. 6. May help reduce blood pressure. According to studies on animals, frequent kefir consumption may be beneficial for people with high blood pressure. A number of processes, including an inhibitory action on enzymes that cause blood vessels to constrict. Reducing the effect of this enzyme in the body produces relaxation of veins and arteries, and this helps reduce high blood pressure. 7. More suitable for people with lactose intolerance. There is some evidence to suggest that kefir may be accepted by persons who are lactose intolerant. This is because the lactic acid bacteria in kefir promotes the breakdown of lactose, the natural sugar in milk. It is this natural milk sugar that people who are lactose intolerant are sensitive to. Before introducing fermented foods, those with a diagnosed condition like inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, should speak with a dietitian because they sometimes make symptoms worse. 8. Kefir may help with inflammation. Irritable bowel syndrome and rheumatoid arthritis are two illnesses that are intrinsically characterized by chronic inflammation. Although this is a new field of study, probiotics have been extensively recognized to have anti-inflammatory properties. 9. May help prevent some infections. Some of the bacteria in kefir may serve as an infection defense. They accomplish this by preventing the spread of dangerous bacterial strains such as Helicobacter pylori, E. coli, and Salmonella. 10. Kefir can help with blood sugar control. In a 2015 study, people with type 2 diabetes who consumed 600 milliliters, about 2.5 cups, of kefir daily had lower average HbA1c readings than those in a control group who did not consume kefir for over a 2 to 3 month period. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing home remedies you can make with kefir. 1. Kefir skincare. Kefir can be used as a natural face mask to improve your skin's health. It has lactic acid that exfoliates dead skin cells and helps to hydrate your skin. You can apply it directly to your face, leave it on for 15 minutes, and rinse off with lukewarm water. Here, probiotics aid in the retention of hydration, while natural butters nourish your skin with antioxidants that fight wrinkles and fine lines. 2. Kefir hair care. Kefir aids in delicately hydrating hair follicles to avoid dryness. Also, as split ends are frequently brought on by dryness and moisture loss, this aids in treating the issue. Kefir is very beneficial for dry, irritated hair. People with dry skin typically experience moisture loss, and kefir can help. Here's a recipe for kefir hair treatment. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 3 tablespoons of full-fat goat or cow milk kefir, 1 tablespoon of virgin olive oil, and 1 fresh egg yolk. Apply it to your hair and scalp. After an hour, remove the mask by washing it off with shampoo and warm water. This formula is a natural way to hydrate dry hair, which needs more moisture to recover from being brittle and dry. 3. Kefir improves oral health. Kefir is excellent for healthy digestion, gut health, and might be good for your teeth and fresh breath. Much like probiotic yogurt, eating fermented foods frequently can help prevent tooth decay because the lactobacillus bacteria in kefir is known to suppress bacteria that cause tooth decay. Kefir can also help with bad breath. Like natural yogurt, kefir contains beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. These probiotics can help to improve digestive health, which in turn can help to prevent bad breath caused by digestive issues, such as acid reflux or gastrointestinal problems. In addition to improving digestive health, kefir can also help reduce the amount of harmful bacteria in the mouth, which can contribute to bad breath. The probiotics in kefir can help to balance the oral microbiome, which can reduce the growth of odor-causing bacteria. It is important to note that while kefir can help improve digestive and oral health, it is not a substitute for proper oral hygiene practices such as regular brushing and flossing. Additionally, there are a number of other causes of bad breath, such as poor dental hygiene, dry mouth, and specific medical conditions. In order to effectively treat bad breath, it is crucial to address the underlying cause. Before diving into how to make kefir at home, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. How to make kefir. In a glass or glass container, combine 1 teaspoon of kefir grains with 1 cup of milk. If you just happen to be fresh out of kefir grains to begin with, there's no need to worry. You can purchase them at a health food store or even on Amazon. The sort of milk you use is up to you. Whole milk often works best, but other forms of milk should also be effective. 2. Use a paper towel, cheesecloth, or napkin fastened over the opening of the glass with a rubber band to cover the opening. 3. After 24 hours, leave the glass out on the kitchen counter. The kefir grains ferment the milk, so spoilage of the milk is not a concern. 4. The kefir ought to thicken to a consistency resembling buttermilk after 24 hours. To separate the kefir grains from the kefir, pour the contents of the glass through a strainer. Congratulations! You've made kefir. Enjoy it as a standalone beverage or substitute it for buttermilk or sour cream in smoothies or baking dishes. The kefir grains can be used again. However, each time you create kefir, they will expand by between 5 and 7%. Keep the grains in the freezer or refrigerator until you're prepared to brew your next batch. Click subscribe and the notification bell so you get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. That's it for today's video. Kefir is a probiotic drink that offers several health benefits, and it is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in different home remedies. So, add kefir to your diet and improve your overall health starting today. Thank you for watching.